Good morning, mamas. Every day starts early in this house, and the first thing I reach for is my single breast pump. It's so quick and easy. I can get my morning pumping done before the baby even wakes up. Honestly, this little pump has made my mornings calm and stress-free. It's quiet, comfy, and perfect for busy moms like us. I love this moment. Just me, my baby, and my single breast pump. I can feed him on one side and pump on the other, saving time and keeping my milk supply up. It's gentle, quiet, and lets me focus on what matters most, bonding with my baby. Every mom needs this kind of balance in her day. Working moms, this is a lifesaver. I pump while working. It's quiet, lightweight, and totally hassle-free. Just attach, press start, and done. This single breast pump is gentle, fast, and honestly feels so natural. At night, it's so quiet my baby sleeps peacefully. This single breast pump gives me comfort, peace, and a full bottle ready for tomorrow.